Hey everybody, Dory Cox with Lion Real Estate here. I have 3 tips for you on how to get your house ready for the rainy season. Number 1 is gutters and downspouts. Make sure you keep them clean because if they get full, then the water will build up. It'll flow over the side of the gutters and then it gets all the important wood support system of the roof saturated, which can lead to dry rot. Second thing is check the caulking around your windows. And again, if it's kind of old, just scrape it away, put new caulking there, and that keeps water from getting down in between the trim and the siding. And then finally, any area that is down at the base of the house, make sure that it is just very, 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 very gently sloping away from the house and not towards the house. Itty bitty. And that's because when it rains, if the water rolls down into the house, then it can saturate the stem wall, the foundation, and lead to problems there. So you guys, these are things that you can do in one weekend. Take good care of your house and it will take good care of you. Thanks for listening and have a great day.